Hello, my peeps. I have the Kraftika for the month of July, which is the checkbeadsexclusive.com/box. That's how you get a hold of them. That is their website. So I thought I'd just show it to you. And then we are going to unbox this thing with no nails. Just get my fingers under there. Open! It says me. Oh, there you go. Well, that works. All right. And we got a little bit of straw here. All right. We just made a little mess. That's okay. Here is our little book. It tells you. There's a month. Usually they have the year. I guess not. Harmony of creativity. Oh boy. I don't have creativity. Oh, I see a fish. And anchor. We're going to have a lot of shipping stuff and fish. But this will tell you everything that's in here. Shell beads, fish, trout fish. Okay. Yep. Okie dokie. Well, let's see what we have here. Half the time I can't figure out what they have here. Opaque white, AB half meter shell beads, 16 millimeter by 8 millimeter. I think that would be these. See, they don't put the code with this. They just put what it is. And then you just got to figure it out from all this where it's at. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to try and figure this out by myself. Yikes. Oh, these are pretty. Look how pretty. Oh, I got to get my dish. Get my dish out. Look how pretty. It's kind of like, it's just glossy on one side and then the AB on the other side. Aren't those pretty? Pretty. Pretty. And then we'll get rid of this bag. We don't need that bag no more. Okay. Gold patina wash, trout fish, marine sea fish. 24 by 10. Ooh. 24 by 10 fish. 24 by 10 fish. 24 is about an inch. I think 25 millimeters is actually an inch. So that can't be. Oh, here we go. Here's two fish. That looks like trout. Does that look like trout to you? They're gold. Gold trout. Alrighty. There's our fish. Big fish. Those are big fish. Maybe I can make something for my husband. He is a fisherman. He loves to fish. So, I could probably make something for him. All right, number 3. Gold patina wash meter shell. 16 by 8. Gold patina wash shell. Gold patina wash right here. No, that's not patina wash. That's gold wash, but not patina wash. 16 by 8. Oh, goodness. So 16 by 8 is like a, I'm thinking something like that, but that's not it. Gold patina wash. Patina wash. Well, I'm thinking this is it. I'm thinking patina is like green, but this is a gold wash. And it's a shell, 16 by 8. I would believe these are it. Pretty. Gold. So far we got gold. We got some pretty shells. So far so good. 4. Opaque white round spacer beads. 5mm. That looks like these. These right here. Twink, twink, twink. Twink, twink. Come on, come out there. There we go. Pretty. Very pretty. They're just a white bead. Very pretty. Very glossy. 5. Matte crystal AB frosted sea glass round seed beads. 4mm. 4mm seed beads. 4mm seed beads. I've got seed beads. But they are 5 matte crystal AB frosted sea glass right here. We have it right here. They are a frosted bead. Excuse me. Frosted sea bead. Hang on, I gotta clear my throat. Sorry. All right. They're a frosted sea bead, and in the center they have gold. There's gold in the middle. Can you see? Seed beads. That's okay. I got scoopers. I can pick them up later. 6. Matte black cube seeds. 4mm. Those got to be right here. Matte black. So we got black and we got white. Black cubes. There we go. 6. Where you got that? 7. Black silver luster. Hematite cube beads. That would be these. Hematite cube beads. I like hematite. Oh, you know what? I could definitely make my husband something with these black hematite, goldfish, some black. Get that piece out of there. I don't know. Thinking some sort of bracelet maybe. All right. Now I just mixed everything all up. That's okay. I'll fix it when I clean it all up later. Okay, 8. Opaque white melon pumpkin beads, 8mm. Opaque white pumpkin right here. Pumpkin beads. Who don't like pumpkin beads? Huh? Pumpkin beads. Can you see what they look like? Very pretty. Very pretty. 9. Matte yellow gold yarn ball round beads. Yarn ball round beads. Would that be these? Matte yellow gold. Yep. These are called yarn beads. Yarn beads. Probably because they look like a ball of yarn. Matte gold. There we go. Yarn beads. Beautiful. All right, 10. Matte gold light petal twisted flower dagger. Twisted flower dagger. That be these? These are only type dagger beads I see. We got 10 matte gold light petal twisted flower dagger, 6 by 12. That would be these. there they are. Twisted flower, huh? Okay. I would say twisted dagger beads. But I don't know about flower. I don't know. What do you think? Yeah? No? I don't know. All right, 11. Black gold coffee bean beads, 11 by 8. And I see those right here. Coffee bean beads. Aren't they pretty? They're like super glossy with a gold coffee bean look. So some are this side and some, though, these are the other side. Pretty. And my husband likes coffee. I think I'll be making my husband some stuff out of this, or men's wear. Okay, black half-pinch spacer bicone faceted beads, 5mm. Pinch beads are these. These are it. These are it. I gotta see. Yep. These are the pinch beads. Black gold half pinch beads. These are pinch beads because if you take a piece of clay and you pinch it in your fingers like this is what it looks like. So I think that's why they call them pinch beads. Isn't they pretty? The gold is very shiny. The black is just lustery. Okay, get rid of that bag. 12. Black gold, oh, I already did that. Half, okay, sorry. Opaque jet black gold speck. Round droop beads. Jet black gold speckle. 6mm. That would be, all right, we got 6mm. Not really sure which one. Look at all these. Thinking these. Opaque, jet black speck, round droop beads, 6mm. Thinking it's these. These ones right here. These are 6mm, jet black, gold speckles. Pretty. And put those right there. Okay. Black round seed beads, Preciosa pearl. I don't know how to spell this. Rockiel spacer. I don't know how to pronounce that. Rockiel. Okay, we got seed beads. And that would be these. Preciosa. Seed beads. Oh, oh, oh. Get them all. There we go. Black seed beads. And they're shiny. A little lustery, but not too much. They're shiny. I wouldn't say lustery. They're shiny. Probably should have left them in the bag, but there we go. I have a scooper. It'll scoop those right up. Alrighty. Matte gold white Preciosa round Rocketeal spacer. 8, yeah, it's a size 8 seed bead. That's 8-0. Size 8 seed beads. Size 8 seed beads. Are these gonna be size 8 seed beads? That's not it. Thinking these are it. Size 8 seed beads. These look like size 8 seed beads. So, here we go. Oh, got it. Right there. Get that out. Okay. Size 8 seed beads. Oh, there we go. Black and gold. More gold. More gold. Okay. Turquoise green, emerald gold, anchor ship wheel charms. Anchor ship. Oh my goodness, look how little those are. Anchor ship. Oh my goodness. I was expecting, when I seen the picture, I was expecting something bigger than this. Holy smokes. What is the size? 16 millimeter. That's it. 16. Don't look like 16. Turquoise green, emerald gold. No, that's not turquoise green. Emerald gold. What is this? What's this? I can't see what this is. There it is. All I saw was this here. This is what it's supposed to be. Oh my goodness. Okay, we got these anchors. Now you already seen the anchors. Okay, here's the back side. And here's the front. There's our little anchor. I like it. I like the color. It's pretty. Ooh, move that up. And we'll keep that straight up. Alrighty, I get rid of these bags. Okay. Opaque black disc beads, washer flat disc spacer, 8 millimeter. Opaque black disc. Nice and shiny. Very shiny. Nice and shiny. Shiny. Okay, I gotta get rid of this bag. And these down here. Oh my goodness. Jet black metallic gold patina round Druk spacer, 4 millimeter. Jet black metallic gold, 4 millimeter. You know what? I think, is that these? And then this, I still don't know the 8O seed beads. I am not really sure. We got all this big stuff left. All I got is big stuff. So here's some more Druk beads. Droop. Just a different size. I got 3 different sizes here. And I believe these are not quite 8, but they're bigger than a 6 though. These are 6. This is a 6. Oh, maybe they are 6. Probably 6 millimeter. Okay. Okay. Keep them separate. I don't know. Okay. 8. Okay. Metallic gold black half faceted fire polish round beads, 8 millimeter. Right here. That would be these. These are faceted round beads. And they are black and gold. Right? Metallic gold black half faceted fire polish. There we go. That is them. Pretty. Look how shiny that gold is. The black is shiny too. Okay. Now we have white black patina wash Nutellus fossil snail shell beads, 18 millimeter. I don't know what that word is. Here, and I'll show you. Nutellus fossil. And that would be these, 18 millimeter. Woo woo! Aren't those big? Those are big. Put like a center. Ooh, my goodness, for a bracelet Or I suppose you can make a pair of earrings. Yeah, they're not too heavy. You either make a pair of earrings or put it for a centerpiece. Or make a pendant out of it too. Then we have Picasso Jet Black Gold Patina Anchor C, 18 millimeter by 12. Picasso Jet Black. Picasso Jet Black Gold Patina Anchor C. Oh my goodness, you guys. Killing me. Only anchors I have left are these, and they are not Picasso Jet Black. Picasso Jet Black Gold Patina Anchor C. Oh my goodness. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 descriptions for this. 5. So you gotta decipher. Okay, that's the front. This is, well, no, it's the same on this. It's the same on both sides. Those are our anchors. Ooh-wee, they're small. Okay, metallic bronze patina Celtic block rectangle tube. Celtic block. Oh my God, see, look at it. One metallic bronze patina Celtic block rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 things to describe. Hey, here they are. Oh my goodness. Celtic blocks. Rectangles. Oh, they're purple. Alright. You see, they're, oopsie, focus. There you go. It's kind of transparent a little bit. See the purple? Can you see the purple? It's purple. They're purple. I'm telling you, they're purple. The thing's not focusing very well. It's just seeing all that gold. See the purple? There you go. It's there. These are purple. All you see is the gold, but then you get the light that hits it, and it's purple. Okay. Gold small anchor band seed charms. That would be these. We already seen those twice now. Oh, I don't know. Okay, now we have crystal gold flat ring beads, O-shaped large hole. That would be these. Oh my God. Get these bags out of here. There we go. They're frosted with a little bit of AB on one side. Well, they're round beads. They don't have a side, but there's a little bit of AB on there. Just little specks. Okay. Now, opaque jet black metallic gold patina round drook beads. 6 millimeter. Well, these look like 8 millimeter. These are the 8 millimeter. Goodness. Metallic gold black half faceted. Half faceted. Yeah, they're not quite faceted. That would be these. My goodness. See how difficult it is? For me, anyway. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Those are pretty. Those are opaque, white, half gold, 8 millimeters. Beautiful. And then last but not least, we have opaque jet black metallic gold patina round drook beads, 6 millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 things to describe these little donuts. They're gold donuts. I'm having fun. Are you? Okay, this is one side. They're gold. And then they're clear. Let me pick one up. They're clear. Yep. They're clear on one side. And then the other side is a gold. So, that's what you're seeing here. These are clear on one side, and then the other side is gold. There we go. That is our Kraftika for July 2025. Woo! We made it through. Not without mistakes, but hey, it's kind of difficult sometimes to figure things out when they give you like 6 different descriptions. I guess they give you 6 different descriptions so that you get it right. I don't know. 6 different descriptions makes me like, no, I'm not going to get it right because there's too many words in there. Alrighty, let's get in there. And we'll move this. There we go. That is Kraftika July 2025. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and then ring that little bell so the next time I'm on here, we can be back here doing something new, something different, some unboxings, all kinds of stuff. A little bit of fun, I hope. And then if you don't want to subscribe, hit that like button. Thank you. Check out my Etsy shop. And until next time, happy beading.